What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I feel like I haven't done a video. That was a good voice crack. I feel like I haven't done a video in quite some time since the truck video. Actually, I haven't gone fishing in probably about a month. It's been crazy. I haven't been fishing in quite some time. I've just been super busy. I just moved out, so I've been dealing with that stuff. So that's another reason why I'm not uploading as much, but I'm trying my best. Today, I did not want to leave the apartment. I did not want to come out and fish, but I did. I'm extremely exhausted. Even though I slept in today, I'm still really tired, but we're gonna get at it, try and catch some fish. It did rain like all morning and it's kind of nasty right now, so we'll see how that works out. But there's literally no one out here on the lake and I have no idea why. I'm gonna try my best either way to catch fish. I haven't fished in quite some time, so I might be a little bit rusty, but we'll see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it. All right, so for some reason there's nobody out here, like absolutely nobody. Like I saw maybe like 2 or 3 trucks with their trailers. It is a weekend. No, it's actually a Monday. That's probably why no one's out here. It's a Monday afternoon. Yeah, nobody's out on the lake. I'm out on the lake. It's a little nasty, not gonna lie. Objective for today, don't really have one, just to catch fish, to be honest. I'm gonna try for about 2 hours, see if I catch a fish. If I don't, then I don't know. I want to be starting off with like a bluegill colored Cinco to see if that works. For some reason I feel like that's gonna work. I'm not too sure. I never really use this bait. I used to use this bait a lot, but I've been using Slim Shakes a lot. That's kind of what I've been sticking to, but I'm gonna give this bait a shot. Cast around the dock because that's where bluegill like to hang out. Hopefully the rain this morning, like that type of weather, turned on the bite. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna give it my all. Like I said, I don't think I've caught fish in like a month. Oh, that's a fish. Oh no, I just missed him. That was definitely a big fish. He was running with it. He has it again. Got him. Oh, it's not a big fish, but I will take it. It's a decent one. Oh, I forgot how it feels to catch fish. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh God, I love it. He wanted it. In the net. Decent little fish for my first fish after about a month. Missed him the first time, got him the second time. Let's freaking go. All right, this fish is kind of weird. He has like a deformity right here. Maybe like something like bit him, like a turtle when he was little, or I don't know, but pretty decent sized fish, about a 2-pounder. Not bad. I will take it all day long. First fish of the day. There he goes. He was ready to go. All right, he's chilling. All right, buddy, you can go. There he goes. So I'm off. He didn't even hesitate. Like, he didn't even bite. I just saw my line just go. So clearly I'm using the right bait. Not bad. First fish of the day. First fish in a month. I think it's been a month since I've caught a fish. I'm not too sure. Around there. So feels pretty good to catch that fish. I'm gonna keep fishing, keep grinding, and see if we can catch some more. Let's get to it. Come on fish. Nice. Oh, that was a bite. Got one. That feels like a nice one. Oh, that's a decent one. I will take it. Little squeaker. He's fighting like a 3-pounder. Hey buddy, how's it going? Heck yeah. Oh, he's putting up a good fight. Little fish. And of course, just had to splash me in the camera. How's it? Hey, hi. Chillax, bud. There we go. Second fish of the day. Small fish, about a pound. I will take it though. Put up a good fight. This fish like does not want to give up, and these waves also don't want to give up. Beautiful fish. Nice colors on it. Gonna go ahead and release them. Back in the water he goes. Oh, that's another fish, I think. Got him. He's running towards me. That might be a big fish. I can't tell. About a 2-pounder, I think. Smallie, maybe? Oh, that's a smallie. The way he's fighting. Yep, that's a smallie. Come on, buddy. No, get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, a terrible net job. Terrible. I suck. All right. There we go. Third fish of the day. smallmouth. We're slaying them today. Not a bad day. I'm just getting around the first cove. Third fish of the day. I will take it. Gotta love that fight. I love how smallmouth fight. Crazy these fish fight. Such little fish, especially in our lake. Smallmouth don't get too big in our lake, but man, they fight like insane. This little fish, this little tiny fish fought like a 2-pound bass. Third fish of the day. Gonna go ahead and release him. Back in the water he goes. I'm gonna keep fishing because the bite seems to be on. Bite seems to be pretty good and not too shabby. Let's keep grinding. See if we can catch one more. Oh, that was a fish. That's a fish. Got another one. Fourth fish of the day. Feels like another nice one. Doesn't feel too big. Oh, that's a nice one. That's like a 3-pounder. That is like a 3-pounder. Oh, baby. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. That is a nice one. That's like a 3. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, that is a stud right there. I will take that. Definitely take that for sure. Soak the camera. I'm sure that shot was so cool though. I'm gonna weigh this fish. I mean, it's not like giant, but it's still like a chubby fish. Still a decent size. I haven't caught a fish in a month. This is my first time like actually going out fishing. Oh, hey, how's it going? How's it going? Hey. 2 pounds, 7 ounces. Yeah, high 2s. I always love catching like 2-3 pounders here at this lake because they fight so hard. Like the bigger fish, they fight hard too, but a lot of them don't fight hard. But these like 2-3 pounders, man, they put up a fight. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and release this fish. Wow. There he goes, back in the water. Let's freaking go. What is that? 4th fish of the day. Not bad. I'm gonna keep grinding. Honestly, I'm gonna make this video a banger. I know I haven't caught a fish in a month. My videos like say otherwise because I kind of film and then take a few days to edit them and upload them. So today's video, I'm just gonna make it an absolute banger. We've already caught 4 fish. Gonna keep grinding, keep fishing, and see if we can land maybe 1 or 2 more. Maybe even a bigger one. I'm not too sure, but honestly insane. Let's keep fishing. That's a fish. That's another fish. 5th fish of the day. Decent little fish. I will take him. Oh, all right, buddy. All right. Probably the last fish of the day if I can land him. I apologize that I soaked the camera. Get in here, buddy. Not bad. Nice little 2-pounder right on top of the mouth. There we go, everybody. 5th fish of the day. I will take it. These fish are pretty skinny. They kind of start stocking up towards the winter and then they get a little bit chubbier. Come spawn season is when they get really chubby, but not a bad fish nevertheless. Gonna go ahead and release them. Probably the last fish of the day. I'm still gonna fish this area. There could be another fish, but that might be the last fish. Not bad though. I will take it.